Welcome to Class 10 Insight. Today we shall be discussing about magnification in lengths. We represent magnification with small letter m. We have 2 columns and 3 rows. We all know the formula used to find the magnification in lengths is small m, that is the magnification is equal to h dash by h, that is equal to b by u, where h dash is the height of the image and h is the height of the object. In the same way, magnification is also equal to v by u, where v is the distance of the image formed from the center of the lens. It could be concave or convex, both. And u is the distance of the object, both concave and convex. So these are the two formulas which we use to find the magnification in lens. Here is the easiest method to remember the values of magnification. Let us see the value of magnification. First case is when magnification is less than 1. Second case when it is equal to 1. Third case when magnification is greater than 1. When magnification is less than 1, what would be the image size and object size? When magnification is equal to 1, what could be the relation between the image size and object size? That is the comparison between the image size and the object size. Same way, when magnification is greater than 1, what could be the comparison between the image size and the object size? So, when magnification is less than 1, image size is less than the object size. And when magnification is equal to 1, image size will be equal to object size. When magnification is greater than 1, image size will also be greater than object size. When you observe these relations, isn't it easy to remember? In all the 3 rows, less than, equal to and greater sign are in the same order. That is, when magnification is less than 1, image size is less than object size. When m is equal to 1, image size is equal to object size. When m is greater than 1, image size is greater than object size. Hope this video was useful.